Hello everybody, and to all my kababayan watching. Ako si Mark Benito from Markbenitoimmigration, and today we're going to talk about a very special topic, kung paano mo pwedeng ma-invite ang asawa mo to come to Canada. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Every week, may bago kaming video to help guide you through your application process and make it as smooth as possible. Para makapag-invite or makapag-sponsor ng asawa mo papunta sa Canada, there are a few key requirements. You need to be a Canadian citizen or permanent resident. You must be at least 18 years old to sponsor. Although there's no specific income requirement for spousal sponsorship, you need to demonstrate that you can support your spouse financially once they arrive. Next, gather the essential documents needed for your application package. Proof of relationship photos, messages, and documents that prove your relationship is genuine. Official proof of your marriage. Proof of status, a copy of your passport or permanent resident card. Although not required, including proof of employment or income can strengthen your application. A well-written invitation letter can add strength to your application. Here's how to structure it. Start with your name, Canadian status, and your relationship to your spouse. Explain why you want your spouse to join you in Canada and what your future plans are. Confirm that you'll be supporting your spouse financially while they're in Canada. End the letter with your contact details and signature. Now let's walk through the steps for submitting your application. Step 1. Download and fill out the forms from the IRCC website. Step 2. Pay the processing fees online, which include the sponsorship fee, application fee, and any other applicable fees. Step 3. Submit your application, either online or by mail. Make sure to upload or include clear copies of all required documents. Step 4. Wait for acknowledgement and updates. Processing can take a few months, but you'll receive regular updates from IRCC. Here are a few final tips to give your application the best chance. Organize your documents. Make everything clear and easy to find. Provide detailed relationship evidence. Include a variety of proofs, such as photographs, chat records, and even video call logs, if possible. Stay in contact with IRCC. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Thank you for watching, mga kababayan. Sana nakatulong itong guide sa proseso ng pag-invite ng spouse nyo to Canada. Kung kailangan nyo pa ng tulong, don't hesitate to reach out to us or give us a call. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video para mas marami pang makaalam. Remember, when you call Markbenitoimmigration, we make your experience immigrate.